Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku, Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just look for it on Amazon if you would like to do these along with me. Today we're doing number 181. Let's start with the square. We're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7. No help here, 1, 6, 7, and a 6 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 6 here, so 5, 7. And a 5 here, so 6, 7. And so that means the only place our 5 can be is here. If we do this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3. No help here, 1, 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so 3, 8. A 3 here and a 2 here, so 5, 8. And a 2 here, 5, and 8 here. So that means this is our 3. The only place our 2 can be is here. That 3 makes this our 8 and our 5. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3, a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're just missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, so 9, 8. So for this bottom row, we're missing a 1, 7, and 9. The 9 can't be here or here because of this 9, so our 9 has to be here. I don't see any other help, so 1 or 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3. Oh, we can get rid of the 7 here because of the 7. So we're missing 1, 3, and 6. No help here, 1, 3, 6, and no help here, 1, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. A 3 here, so 4, 3. The 7 makes this our 6, 7. And that 6 makes this our 1, 7. And that makes this our 1. And then we can get rid of these ones. And with this one, we can get rid of this one up here. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing a 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 7, a 7 here, so 1, 6. And no help here, 1, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5, a 1 here, so 5, 8, and a 5 and 8 here. So that means this is our 1, 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 4, 3, 1. That 1 makes this our 6. And then we can get rid of this 6. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 6, a 4 here. So 5, 6. That means our 4 has to be here. Up, and this 1 makes this our 3, 5, 6, 1, 5, 7, 1. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 6, and that makes this our 3, 6. For this column now, we're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 7. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.